we will show you how to connect the power cable to the camera. Okay, so this is the power cable we have taken. It's a two core power cable, you can see. So so next you have to just remove the sleeve of the two core power cable and just twist it out. You can see this is the power connector of the camera, and you can see it's written plus and minus. Okay, so you have to connect the red one or the positive terminal to the plus and the negative terminal to the minus. Just insert into the hole here. Okay, you need to loosen the screw so that you can put the wire into the hole. And tighten the screws again. Okay, see that the wire is intact. Okay, you can just pull lightly and see that okay, it's not coming out easily. Okay, so next take the other end of the power cable. Just strip it out. And connect to the SMPS power supply. See that the SMPS power supply has got a two core power cable, so you have to just connect. You can see there is a red strip. So there is a red strip. This is positive, okay, and this is negative. So connect the red strip to the red color of the power cable or the positive of the camera. And negative to the black color or the negative of the camera. Okay, then put an insulation tape. Similarly, you have to do for all other cameras. Okay, you have to parallelly connect all other cameras to the power supply, and then finally put an insulation tape around the power wires.